Good day, students. Servan here, and today we will going to learn another math lesson. Okay, now this time let's continue how to divide a fraction. Okay, so there are things that we need to remember in dividing fractions. Number one, in dividing fractions, we need to put the second fraction in reciprocal. So always remember, only the second fraction will be put into reciprocal. Okay, but what is this reciprocal means? When we say reciprocal, it means switching the numerator and its denominator. So we're just switching them. And after we change the second fraction into reciprocal, then we do the multiplication process. Okay, so let's try some examples. Divide 5 over 12 by 7 over 10. Okay, so again, from our reminders there, we need to change the second fraction here into reciprocal. When we do the reciprocal, we just change or switch the numerator will go to the denominator, and the denominator will be our new numerator. So this is what happened. Okay, so we switch. 7 over 10 will become 10 over 7. So this is what we call reciprocal. So after we change this one into reciprocal, the next one is, after changing the second fraction into reciprocal, we need to do now the multiplication process. So let's now multiply. Okay, so 5, this should be multiplied. Okay, 5 times 10, that is 50, and 12 times 7, that is 84. Okay, question is, can we simplify 50 and 84? Yes. So let us simplify. The final answer for this one is 25 over 42. I just divide 50 and 84 by 2. Okay. Now, how about this one? 6 over 11 divided by 3 over 7. Okay, always remember that we put this second fraction into reciprocal. So what's the reciprocal of 3 over 7? Very good. The answer is 7 over 3. We just switch the numerator and the denominator. So after we switch the numerator and the denominator, go to multiplication process. We do now top times top, bottom times bottom. So 6 times 7, the answer here is 42. 11 times 3, the answer here is 33. Now, since our answer is an improper fraction, don't forget to change this one into a mixed number. So, for our final answer, we have here 1 and 9 over 33. But I guess I can still simplify 9 and 33 by dividing it into 9. Okay, so we have 1 and 3 over 11.
Now, let us proceed in dividing mixed numbers. So we have here 2 and 1/3 divided by 2 and 3/5. Now remember, grade 5, that when we divide mixed numbers, the first thing that we need to do is we need to change them into improper fraction. And then after we change them into improper fraction, then that's the time that we will going to do the reciprocal to our second fraction. Now, let us try this one. So we have here 2 and 1/3. Change this one into an improper fraction. We have 3 times 2 is 6. And 6 plus 1, that is 7. So we have here 7 over 3. The next one here is 2 and 3/5. So let us change this one into an improper fraction by multiplying 5 times 2. It's 10. 10 plus 3, that is 13. So we have here 13 over 5. Okay, now let's continue dividing 7 over 3 divided by 13 over 5. Now this time we could now do the reciprocal to our second fraction here. 13 over 5. What's the reciprocal for 13 over 5? Very good. That is 5 over 13. Okay, so once we put our fraction now into reciprocal from division, again, it will change into multiplication. Okay, so this time we could now multiply our fraction here. Top times top, bottom times bottom. So let's start with 7 times 5. 7 times 5, that is 35. And then the next one here is bottom times bottom. We have here 13 times 3, or 3 times 13. The answer here is 39. Okay, so for our final answer, we have 35 over 39. Can we still simplify 35 over 39? The answer is no. So this will be now our final answer.
Okay, so always remember that knowledge is power. Okay, so I guess that's it. That is how we multiply and we divide our fraction. If you have any questions, don't forget to write your question in the comment section below. Thank you again for listening, and I hope to see you next time.